Snap, 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 snap. Huh, you want fashion? Not only eating my hair. Girl, that KKW gloss got me together, you guys. Not only I don't wear gloss, but you guys, look at my eyes. Can I get a zoom in? Zoom into my eyes. But today I took it back. I went dark, I went seductive, I went purple, I went plums, and we used a lot of blacks. I even used something really cool to make this liquid lime liner. Grab a brush, get a blank canvas, sit in front of a mirror, play my video, girl. Let's go ahead and get ready together. You guys, today we're gonna go ahead and take it right back to my roots. This is the reason why my last name is called Black, is because I love dark, I love seductive, I love anything that just makes you feel sensual and sexy and hot. We're gonna go ahead and dive into some really, really dark, fun colors. I'm talking about plums, blacks, colors that make you feel very like, wow. Also, if you guys have been keeping up with me, please check out the Jeffree Star x Morphe 2 collaboration video where I tell you guys all my giveaway details. September 21st is when I'm gonna announce one winner, so check that out. Let's just go ahead and do some makeup together. Grab some dark shadows, grab a liner, grab some lashes. Let's go ahead and get into drag. So girl, let's just get these brows on. So you guys know I love this product. This is definitely my go-to. When I buy brow pencils, I always want to get the darkest because you can always go kind of lighter. This brow is gonna be very, very piercing. Kimora, she loves a good little arch. Let's go ahead and switch on this side. I look like I got like a lot of Botox. So excited, you guys. Shout out to P.LOUISE for sending me the 30 ml base Pro. Now in this base is 100% adaptable to all skin tones, and it's designed to enhance, exaggerate, and stop traffic, high coverage shadow enhancer, and it is crease proof. Basically, I'm gonna have my eyeshadow on my eyes permanently, forever. So let's get this going. If you guys love the P.LOUISE products, if you guys love all these cream crease cutters, bases, go ahead and visit the website down below and go ahead and use my code Kimora Blac 10. Can I get it right here? Kimora Blac 10, and you will get 10% off on anything you guys get on there. So basically, these are like the little babies, and then this is the mama. I mean, this is probably gonna last me a very, very, very fucking long time. Let's go ahead and get it on a brush, and then just kind of get it all over the eye. So let's go ahead and get this all over the eye. I want to cover this completely because today we are going to play with some really fun dark colors. I like to kind of put it underneath the eye as well because I'm going to wrap my shadow all the way over. So you guys can see here, I literally covered every inch around my eye. Literally, it goes a long way. Okay, cool. So you guys already can see like my shadow is about to be really big. Okay, so you guys, we have the product on. Let's go ahead and pack some shadows. I'm gonna go ahead and use this really, really nice light color. This is from the matte KKW palette. I've been very, very obsessed with this color as a highlight. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on the bottom of my brow. It's so weird not using my concealer because I can tell like the difference. So see you guys, it does grab the color very, very well. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into this palette. This is a palette from Morphe. This palette is the 25C. It's called Hey Girl Hey. I love that there's a black at the corner. I love all these mattes. I love that there's a little bit of shimmer. Girl, let's just go ahead and jump into it. Now, when you guys are doing dark colors, you really wanna have, I call them sister colors, where it kind of diffuses the black so it doesn't turn so gray. It doesn't turn all weird and ashy. Do you ever wonder why sometimes you do eyeshadow and it's dark and it gets all like gray and muddy? You need colors to kind of help the black kind of just transition out and not turn gray. It turns more orange, it turns more auburn. I don't know, it just gets lighter, and it looks really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this color right here. It's a very, very pretty color. And I'm just taking the color and I'm kind of just going up. And right now what I'm doing, as you guys are seeing, I'm just kind of pressing it into the skin. I actually really love this color by itself, just like that. So I'm just really taking it and just kind of packing it on. And you guys always want to make sure the shadows are starting to match. Okay, so you guys can see here, this side is going up just a little bit. So we're gonna make sure this side kind of mimics a little bit. Wow, okay. She's pretty on there. And honestly, you guys, that primer from P.LOUISE is really doing the work for me. I'm not even really trying to make the colors happen. It's really allowing the color to be true to what it is. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and switch it over. I'm gonna go ahead and use one of Jeffree's brushes. Now, I love this brush. This is the JS6. I'm actually gonna take the shadow underneath my eye a little bit, and then I'm gonna bring it into the crease right here. So you see how like my shadow is already starting to form like this cat eye? I usually do that because I don't like shadows that kind of stop like right here. So just like that. And now let's go ahead and just take very, very lightly, and let's go ahead and bring this color up. I'm gonna do something really fun in the middle. You guys, this primer is like they're making the shadows so pigmented. I mean, I know Morphe shadows are very pigmented, but it's like, no, it's like really pigmented. I'm already obsessed with this. I already can kind of see what it's kind of looking like. Now, let's go ahead and start picking up a darker color. This color is going to be, it's almost like a darker version of this one. I want to say this is more plum. Let's go ahead and deepen up the edges. And same thing, you guys, when you guys really want like that true color, you want to pack it on. And same thing on this side. Wow. Okay, so you guys, the color is super pigmented. I'm very, very impressed. As you guys can see here, I didn't really blend anything. That's kind of crazy to me. Like, I'm not even like going in circles. This is kind of repeat a little bit in the inner corner. Not too much, you guys. I really want this part to kind of be, it's almost like it's there, but it's not. I want the focus to be on the outside. We're gonna get a smaller brush. So this one is a little bit more tapered, and we're gonna take that same color. I'm gonna wrap it underneath. Now we're gonna go ahead and start to kind of blend the edges. And when I say edges, I'm talking about here, here. I'm really feeling this color, like these kind of orange vibes. That's gonna be awesome. Like, this is really gonna diffuse it. I feel like this one's gonna do the best job. I mean, just lightly. Like, you shouldn't even have fallout. So now let's go ahead and just diffuse it and just blend out. See, it just kind of lightens it up a little bit. Like I said, you guys, it just breaks up that really harsh color from white to the color actual. So see how it's like smoother? And same thing in the inner corner, you guys. Just go ahead and get some color right here. And that's literally how you guys diffuse the harsh color. It works very well with blacks, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and jump into some P.LOUISE, and we're gonna start packing on some colors in the middle. So remember, you guys, this one is for base and also cutting a crease. And let's go ahead and start applying. Wow. As you guys can see there, my crease, let's make sure it's super straight up top. So it's super cutting, it's super straight. Same thing on the other side. Everything is on. I'm gonna go ahead and deepen the bottom with some more of that really dark plum, because I really want my eyes to be dark. Cute. Okay, I can't wait to start adding the shimmers. I'm gonna go ahead and put black liner on my waterline, just to really give it like that smoky dark effect. You see how it's so like cutting right here? You just take the same brush and you just kind of pack it like this in a very slow motion. This is where you really want to make sure the blending is on point. You see how it's starting to diffuse? Today's word is diffuse. You really want to know what you're doing, so I like to do the same thing on both eyes at the same time. Oh my god, it's so fucking pretty. Wow. Okay, I'm very gagging. Let's go ahead and get some shimmer on this lid. I'm gonna go ahead and get another brush, wet the brush, and this is where it's gonna start to be like, wow. And you just, same thing, you just want to pack it. See that? Wow, that's pretty. Same thing on this side, you guys. This packet on the edge. I'm trying to combine the two different shimmers together so it's not so harsh. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and wet that brush again. So this is where I'm gonna go ahead and use this really light color. It's almost like a champagne. And let's go ahead and just pack it like this. Wow, it made it like so glowy. Look how shimmer and bright it is all of a sudden. Look at this eye. Now look at this eye. Wow. Okay, so same thing on this side, you guys. Wow, that's so fucking gorgeous. I mean, obviously you guys can tell the difference. You guys, this is this palette. Can you guys print screen this right now? Ready, set, go. Very bomb ass combo. I'm not even fucking lying. Like, I'm already very gagged. I'm kind of sad that I'm not going anywhere today. We're gonna go ahead and touch some black and really deepen the edges. Hopefully this black works. Let's go ahead and just pack this. And obviously it does, because it's Morphe and I have the fucking amazing ass primer. See that? It's just kind of like deepens. Wow, look at that black. And then now I'm gonna take a tiny little brush and just really pinch the inner corner. Now let's go ahead and take some liquid liner, just like that. You guys, what do you guys think so far? I'm very gagged. Now, you guys all been waiting for, this is the Miss Fame Loose Pigment Glitter. It's fucking lovely. I'm just gonna tap it on. Oh wow, it does stay. It's almost like Maleficent purple. You guys probably don't see this on camera, but it's fucking beautiful. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and play with something really cool. I kind of went back and forth with my husband on this. I was like, should I try it? Should I not? Should I do it? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and try to use Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick. This color is called No Offense, and I'm actually gonna try to use it as liner. I really hopefully can accomplish. I'm a little nervous because I love my eyeshadow. I really want to do like some green liner on top. I think that's gonna be really awesome, especially with the purple. I wish I can talk to you guys right now because you guys can tell me yay or nay. I'm sure you guys honestly are gonna say yes. Do it, bitch. Let's fucking do it. Let's get this fucking liner on. Let's see what it's gonna do. If I hate it, I don't care. This is another brush from the Mitchell collaboration with P.LOUISE. This one is an angled brush. So we're gonna go ahead and just take this. We're gonna dip a lot. I have some here on my hand. Hi nails. Let's line it. Let's just see what it looks like. Oh, it's so fucking pretty. Oh my god, you guys, I did it! You guys, look how hot this is. So let's go ahead and just repeat it on the other side. What do you guys think? Wow. Okay, cute. I just want to thank you guys so much for just holding your breath as I did that. I was a little nervous. If you guys are scared to mess with your makeup, like I was terrified because I was like, oh, I'm so loving it. You guys just fucking do it. Okay, you guys, so far right now, I am pretty much done with my eye. So right now we're gonna go ahead and get the skin prime. We're gonna get some foundation on. I truly love this foundation brush by Jeffree Star. This is the JS1. I'm very tan right now. Let's go ahead and get some concealer on the skin as well. Ooh, I'm running out of concealer, mama. Okay, you guys, so we already packed on the concealer. I'm really going light on my skin. I'm not gonna contour too much because my eyes are just very like, let's get some setting powder on. And then let's go ahead and just bronze out a tiny bit. And then let's go ahead and just add some really light highlight powder. Perfect. So now we're gonna go ahead and take some of that white powder and just really bring it down the nose. And then we're gonna just lightly, you guys, just really buff the nose. Okay, and then I do this thing where I like to kind of just bake the edges of my nose. This just kind of like defines the nose a little bit more. Anyone that has a really defined nose, you probably don't even have to do this. But I kind of just leave it there like just like that. Hi, how are you? As that sits, let's go ahead and just really give my brows some more hair. And I just kind of take it in a flicking way. You just take the brow, you just kind of flick it. Let's go ahead and highlight a little bit of my cheeks. I do want some shimmer on my cheeks. I want it kind of like soft and glowy. I'm just gonna make the skin just look a little bit more like, ding, like diamond skin. This is the Shine Bright Like a Diamond highlight. Shout out to Doll Beauty for sending me a lot of cool things. This is the Doll Light Duo. So we're gonna go ahead and open here. Are y'all ready? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, word. Okay, so these look fucking amazing. I'm probably gonna use this all together. I'm gonna start off with the gold and seeing what that looks like. And let's see. Okay, I can see it. Okay, come on, Doll Beauty. That is so fucking pretty. And I actually rarely use gold on my skin because I'm so bronzed. That is so fucking stunning. Let's put the other one up, but let's change the brush. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's just rub a little bit like that. Let's see the difference. Oh, wow. Do you guys see that? Oh, wow. Okay, cute. I love this combo together. I love it. So obviously I need some blush. This blush is by Fenty Beauty. This is the Kilowatt Duo. This has the color Ginger Binge and Moscow Mew. This is probably the only Fenty Beauty product I actually kind of like. Just because a lot of the products kind of don't really work for me. Which meaning like I don't see it. It literally looks just like this. It's like a bronzy color. I'm just gonna take a little bit and just kind of really fade it into the highlight. See, this side's softer than this side. It's like more like, oh. Side's kind of like, oh. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and dust off the loose powder. Let's go ahead and pull out Rude Cosmetics. Again, this is Stardust. This is, I want to say a liquid shadow. I haven't used this yet, but when I played it on my hand, I was like, ew, this all over the eye, it's weird. So I'm just gonna just drop a little bit of this on my inner corner. So we're just gonna do a little bit like that. I don't like this. Hold on, you guys. Ew. Let me pull out Miss Fame thing again because I can't. That's weird. So we're just gonna take some of Miss Fame glitter and just kind of pack it on. That looks way better. So we're gonna go ahead and pull out some lashes. I literally am so excited to share this with you guys. If y'all love lashes, I finally got my own code so you guys can get a little discount. Miss Auntie Kimora, I got you. I went ahead and teamed up with Baddie B Lashes. I'm so excited. Hashtag Baddie B, and you guys can check them out, BaddieBLashes.com, or you can even also check them out, Baddie B Lashes on Instagram. Go ahead and use my code Kimora and get 10% off on any of your lashes. So I expect to see some cute little Baddie bitches out there. So let's go ahead and pull this out. This PR is so adorable. I love this. I just want to show you guys these names because they're so cute. So this one is called Extra. This is Extra. So if you motherfucking extra, girl, this is for you. This is called hashtag fuckboy. This one is called Baddie. And then this one is called Saucy. Saucy is kind of more very like everyday. I'm gonna pop these on. I kind of want to wear fuckboy. Fuckboy is like super big, super fun, super flirty. I'm sure it looks amazing with mascara. And also the great thing about their boxes is that it's magnetized. I love to keep the box that it comes with, and I love boxes that last a long time because I need a place where my lashes go. This is great because look, it's actually super magnetized. Oh wow. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a tweezer and I'm just gonna go ahead and pull these out just like that. Okay, let's put this on. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, Baddie lashes. Hello. Hello, motherfucking hello. Okay, so That popped on so fast. So let's go ahead and get some glue on this baby right here. Okay, so let's go and pop this baby on. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and pick some lips. I'm feeling nude with this. It's gonna look very, very nice. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips first. This pencil is called Honeymoon by Morphe. It's just really, really light. I love it. And then we're also gonna go ahead and use the liquid lipstick from Morphe. This is called Jealousy. I love this liquid lipstick. Oh wow, that's pretty. Okay, you guys, so once that is on, I'm kind of feeling a little glossy right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the KKW Iridescent Gloss. This is almost like a sheer gloss. It has never been used. I'm not really a gloss person, just cause, girl, the hair gets on it, there's color all over my hair, it's just weird, I can't do it. So let's go ahead and put a little bit of gloss. Ooh, do I like the gloss? Ooh, girl. Oh wow, I like the gloss. A lot. Bitch. I forgot mascara. Oh my god, I was gonna die. Oh my god, I thought my makeup was gonna come off. Forgot mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the Snap Scarab from Maybelline. And let's get this thing baby black. I mean, I wanna see this, like, my lashes like pop. Mascara's on. Let's go ahead and get a wig on. Ooh, hold on, you guys. I'm gagging right now. Honey, the wig is on. She is laid. She is pressed. Did you guys gag over this eyeshadow? I know you guys are gagging, and I hope you guys were getting ready with me because I would love to see these looks recreated. Like, if you guys were able to use the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick as a liner, please let me know. I want to know. I want to see it. I want to see it. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup day with me. I love you guys so much. I'm actually kind of like dripping right now. So I'm gonna go dry my hair, get into bed, get out of this drag. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in a few days.